Okay, hands down, elbows bent. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. A little bit of a posting canter going on in there, so be careful. Make sure you sit still. Sit still. You're kind of banging all over that horse's back. Don't lean back so far. This is kind of halfway between a 2-point and a seated position. A little bit of both. Your stirrup has slid back to the arch of your foot. Hands down. Don't buckle your wrists. Okay, good. No speeding up. Nice and steady. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Very nice, Jackie. And you got the correct lead. Good. Watch that posting canter. Try to sit quietly. Don't lean back so far. Whoops. Yeah, sometimes you tip behind where you need to be. That'd be a nice, happy medium. Leaning forward a little bit, but not too much.